Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to create circle picture in MS Word. So firstly, insert any picture, click on insert picture from this device, then select. Now double click on it. Now click on quick styles, select this design. Now format, click here. Now deselect lock aspect ratio. Now enter 3.66 and here also 3.66. Then click on OK. Now right click and click on picture format. Now click on shadow. In here select no shadow and in picture border select no outline. So like this guys, you can create circle picture in MS Word. Thanks for watching.